With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone. So today we are going to discuss one question on heights and distances. Here we are given a question in which we are given an isosceles triangle of wood of the base 2a and the height of it is given as h, and it is placed with its base on the ground, vertex directly above. So it is given that the triangle faces the sun, whose altitude is given to us as 30 degrees. Now from this data, the tangent of the angle at the apex of the shadow would be, so we need to find the tangent of the angle at the apex of the shadow, and we are given 4 options and we need to choose one among them. So let us first construct the triangle to understand this question more clearly. So here we have the triangle ABC. This is the isosceles triangle ABC. Now let us name this triangle. So this is the vertex A, this is the vertex B, and this is the vertex C, and we are given that its height is h. So for this let us construct the height of this isosceles triangle. This is the height, and let us say this point is D. So let us name this point also. So this point is D, and since we are given that the BC base is twice of A, so this would be A and this length would be A, and this height AD is given to us as h. Now due to sunlight, the shadow of this triangle appears on the ground. So let us say this is the shadow of this triangle. This is the shadow of this triangle, and this appears on the ground. Now in the question we are also given that the point of apex is E. So let us first join these 2 points, and now let us name the point E. So now we have this point as our point E. So this is our point E. Now let us assume that the total angle at the apex of the shadow is twice of alpha. So this total angle, that is the angle at E, would be twice of alpha. But since this is an isosceles triangle, so we can say that this angle is alpha and this angle would be alpha. So we have assumed these angles as alpha. Now let us also construct the triangle ADE for better understanding. So let us say this is the height of the triangle and its shadow comes here. So this would be the point E. This would be the point E, and this is the shadow. So here we have got all the 3 points, that is A, D and E. Now it is also given in the question that the altitude of the sun when seen from this point A is 30 degrees. So the altitude would be like this, and this angle is 30 degrees. So we can say that this angle is 30 degrees. That is angle AED is 30 degrees according to the question. Now we also know this length h, that is the length AD is given to us as h. Now let us compute what is chord 30 in this triangle AED. So if we calculate the value of chord 30, then we get chord 30 is equals to ED upon this h. So we get ED upon h, and we also know the value of chord 30. So chord 30 is under root 3. So from here we can get the value of ED. So from this ED comes out to be under root 3 h. This is equation 1. Now if we consider this triangle BED, in this triangle, BDE, if we compute tan alpha, then tangent of alpha would come out to be this length A divided by this length. So this is A upon ED, and from this equation 1 we already know the value of ED. So it can be rewritten as tan alpha is equals to A upon under root 3h. Now we got the value of tan alpha. So let us name this result as result 2. Now in this question, since we need to find the tangent of the angle at the apex of the shadow, so in this figure we can clearly see that the tangent of the angle at the apex of the shadow would be twice of alpha. This angle is twice of alpha, so we need to find the value of tangent of the twice of alpha. So let us find that. So we know the value of tan alpha and we want to find the value of tangent of the twice of alpha, which is given by twice of tan alpha whole divided by 1 minus tan square alpha. Now we know the value of tan alpha, so this can be rewritten as twice of tan alpha. So twice of tan alpha is a by under root 3h. So a by h, and here we have under root 3 whole divided by 1 minus tan square alpha. So this is a square by 3h square. And on further solving this, we get 2a by root 3h, 2a by root 3h whole multiplied by, we take the LCM here, so we get 3h square minus a square. So we get 3h square minus a square, and here we get thrice of h square. So here under root 3 and under root 3 gets cancelled out, and we get this thing, and h also gets cancelled out. So we are left with twice of root 3 ah whole divided by thrice of h square minus a square. This is the value of tan to alpha. So finally we have calculated the value of the tangent of the angle at the apex, that is tan to alpha. And let us now see the options. So we can see that the option 2 is correct. So let us mark the option 2 as the correct option. So this is our solution. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.